Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you in this video. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Geminis. So we have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Eight of Pentacles, okay. The Four of Swords, the Judgment, and the Ace of Swords, Empress, okay, the Death, and the King of Wands. King of Wands, Six of Cups, and that was the Seven of Cups. I'll take it. Okay, so Geminis, you are working hard on your stability, your happiness. It can be anything. It can be a commitment, it can be anything, but you're really working hard to balance your family life, perhaps, or something which is really stable, meaningful, and long term for you. It's really meaningful in your life, and you are trying to balance it, and you are putting in all the effort which is required to maintain it, I should say, to keep it balanced, to keep it going, to maintain it. It's a beautiful energy that way. Okay, so there is some sort of a stability, there is some sort of a commitment, some sort of happiness in whatever area of your life it is, and you are really working hard to balance it and to keep it going and to keep the happiness there. So you want that stability. That is really important for you. It's meaningful for you. Then we have the Four of Swords, the Judgment, and the Ace of Swords. So here what I feel is there is some sort of a decision needs to be taken over here. So there is some situation over here. I don't know what it is. There is some situation here which requires a decision, and it seems to be a situation which was pending since a long time and which you had sort of left in the hands of God, and you had stopped perhaps working on that aspect also. It's something, it seems to be somehow, I don't know, the vibe which I'm getting is it doesn't seem to be related to this energy. This seems to be some other area of your life which you had sort of let go. Okay, leave it, I really can't do much about it. You just left that area of your life or that aspect of your life. Maybe you lost hope, or you did whatever you could do and then left it because it didn't yield any reward or benefit, whatever you call it, or you couldn't sort it out. But now you really have the clarity, you know how it can be done, how it can be sorted out. It's something of that sort. So that phase has passed, and now the time is that now you have the clarity as to how this situation is supposed to be handled, and that is what is calling for a decision over here. Okay, that's what I feel, whatever this is. And this seems to be something really important and big, and it was something perhaps which has which is which you have left right now in your current life. You've moved on from this situation. That's what I feel. This was something which you've actually moved on from. And then we have the Empress, the Death, and the King of Wands. So here what I feel is that you have the clarity to sort out this situation. See, somehow what I feel is that once you move into this energy of taking an action, once you have that idea, you start manifesting something new. You are actually wanting to create something new, but somehow what I feel is that it doesn't work out. It doesn't, though the Empress is there, but what I feel is there is a new beginning. It can be something which was short-lived, which is short-lived, perhaps. Whatever this is, in whichever direction you started moving or you took an action, there is something over here which is actually initially promising to be very good, or actually it has a good beginning, or it is good, but then somehow it just ends, and you are required to leave this situation. That's what I feel. We have the King of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Seven of Cups. And now, what I feel is that once you realize that whatever this energy is, in which you are trying to take a decision and trying to have a new beginning, that situation ultimately ends, and you are now, it's like what you're really confused because you really want those happy times back, and you're really confused as to what should I do, because you are really passionate about this situation, whatever this is. So there is an energy over here which is calling for a decision, and when that decision is taken and things start building up, maybe they just flourish for a short time and then they just die out, and you are just left. Somehow what I feel is that though the passion is there, but then you just feel weak and you really don't know what to do about it. You really want those things to be recreated, or you really want those things to be back, but you really are not able to figure out how to do it. It's something of that sort. I don't know what it is talking about, which energy is, which aspect of your life. The Three of Spades, pain, heartbreak. So definitely it's not something which is easy out here. Guidance from the angels. Guardian of emotion. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who have only the best of intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous humanitarian and a refined person whom you can completely depend upon. This could be in reference to the characteristics within yourself. So Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.